What's going on? Back again with another video. We're working on the H22. In the last video you probably seen a while back, it was cranking, but I am not getting any fuel to it, so I don't know what could be causing that. It's not a bad fuel pump, it's not the relay, it's like ground or something, I'm not sure. But I'll show you the little thing I found. If you hook up a scanner to read the codes, since I don't have the check engine light, the fuel pump kicks on. Like, it's weird. Like, if you have the scanner hooked up, fuel pump will kick on, it'll start shooting fuel. So that's kind of weird. If I disconnect it, it won't do it. So I'll show you that here in a bit. Right now, I did just check the distributor. Everything seems alright, but I'm gonna check the fuses. Right now I am trying to put the header back on, so we're gonna be doing that. So I am gonna have to cut it a little shorter, see how I'm gonna hook it up, because it doesn't have the right plug and play, basically just bolt on in the back. So I'm gonna have to hook that up somehow, and hopefully I can get it running. I'm not sure if it's gonna be in this video, but I'll try. But I'm gonna check all the fuses, because now it's shooting fuel, so it should turn on. Everything's mostly hooked up, just the wires that were deleted, those are the ones that only are not hooked up. Other than that, we are gonna keep on trying. For now, let me hook up the header and we'll go from there. Okay, we are back. We did hook up the exhaust, so that's hooked up. So I mean, it's not the best way hooked up in the middle, but it'll do the job for now until I'll either get a new header, but maybe we'll go with new ones, or the turbo manifold. We'll see about that. But right now, like I said, it is getting fuel. We do got everything hooked up, and honestly, I'm just trying to figure out why it's not getting any spark. My last thing is the distributor, or a wire that's not sending any signal. I already changed this twice. I have two of them, so it's not that. It's not my main relay. I don't think it's the wires. It has new wires. I'll probably throw the old ones back on, see if it does a difference. I don't think it's that. Like I said, it has new alternator, well, from the other car, but it's basically new because the other one didn't work. So my either last chance, it's gonna be that, or I mean, the fuses are good, so it's gonna be probably that. But hopefully in the next video I'll probably get that figured out. I mean, it is cranking, but it's not getting any spark. I already tried it, so since that's not happening, I'm gonna try figuring out in the other video. I don't really got too much. Like I said, I just hooked up the header thing, but like I said, little by little get done. But that's my only guess. If you know what the problem is, shoot me a comment. But like I said, I'm not really too good with wiring and everything. Like, I'm not an expert with everything, but I know how to hook everything up. But this, I don't like how it was. Like I'm talking about, like how is that little blue cable to the other one, and I don't know what the heck this guy was trying to do, the one that sold it to me, splicing the wire and all that stuff. I'm not saying that's why it's not starting. It could be the problem, but most of it could be caused because of that. But like I said, I don't know. It could just be the alternator. We'll probably get one. We'll throw one on, or see if I have a friend that could let me borrow his, or we'll go from there. But like I said, I don't really got too much. Battery is hooked up, everything. Like I said, it cranks. It's getting fuel now. But like I said, if you know you had this issue before, it's cranking, it's not getting any spark, that's mine. Because like I said, I checked the main relay fuses. But like I said, if you know, shoot me a comment. Hopefully I can get it running, hopefully pretty soon. But other than that, I guess that's where I'm gonna leave it at. I don't really got too much, don't want to bore y'all. But like I said, that's the problem with the H22 right now, why it's not turning on or running. But other than that, it would be running right now, like I said. But we'll get it slowly and surely, and I'll catch you in the next one.